All right, let's just jump right in. We basically live our lives online now, right? We're always creating and saving stuff that's incredibly important to us. But have you ever stopped to think, how safe is all that data, really? Well, today we're going to explore cloud storage and why it's an absolutely essential tool for protecting your entire digital world.
I mean, seriously, just pause and think about that for a second. Let that feeling sink in. That immediate gut-wrenching panic? Yeah, that's what we're going to make a thing of the past. Because it only takes one accident, one theft, or one little technical glitch to wipe out years of stuff you can never get back.
And that's the devastating reality of it, isn't it? All those family photos, that huge project you've been pouring weeks into, all your most important documents, they could all just, poof, vanish in the blink of an eye. But thankfully, there is a powerful solution. And that is where cloud storage comes into play. The easiest way to think about it is like your own personal, super secure digital locker. It's not some crazy, complicated tech thing. Nope. It's just a straightforward, safe place to keep everything that matters to you ready and waiting whenever you need it. So, how does this digital locker actually do its thing? Well, it's a surprisingly simple three-step process. First, you upload a file. Easy enough. That file then gets sent over the internet to these incredibly secure remote servers. We're talking massive data centers with top-of-the-line security. But here's the real magic, the most important part. They store multiple copies for safety. This is what's called redundancy. And believe me, that is the secret sauce that guarantees your data is safe, even if one server decides to have a bad day. Okay, so now that we've got the how down, let's get to the good stuff. What can it actually do for you? I like to think of the cloud as having four major superpowers that make it an absolute must-have in our modern lives. Superpower number one, accessibility. With cloud storage, your files are no longer prisoners on a single device. You can get to that one central file from your laptop, your phone, or your tablet. You could literally start writing a document at the office, tweak it on your commute, and put the finishing touches on it from your couch at home. Your entire digital life just follows you around, securely and seamlessly. The second superpower is security, and this really shows the difference. On the left, you've got the old way, USB drives. So easy to lose, so easy to break. On the right, you have the cloud way, that digital locker we've been talking about, and it's just a whole different ballgame. Your data is encrypted, which means it's scrambled into unreadable code, both when it's traveling online and when it's just sitting on the servers. It's protected, it's backed up, and it's always available to you, and only you. And superpower number three is collaboration. Oh man, if you have ever emailed endless versions of a file back and forth, you know the ones, project, final, v3, final, you know the pain. Cloud storage just ends that nightmare. It allows a bunch of people to work on the exact same file at the exact same time, and you can see the changes as they happen. Just like the quote says, it gets everyone on the same page, which is a total game changer for any kind of teamwork.
And finally, our fourth superpower, backup and scalability. This is where you get real peace of mind. See, most cloud services automatically back up your important files. You don't even have to think about it. It just happens quietly in the background. And as your collection of photos and files gets bigger and bigger, your storage just grows right along with it. No need to run out and buy new hardware. The cloud just expands to fit your needs.
So let's put it all together. You've got accessibility, security, collaboration, and automatic backups. When you combine all of these superpowers, you get something way more valuable than just a place to store files. You get genuine digital peace of mind.
So what's the big takeaway here? The most important thing to remember is that cloud storage isn't some optional extra anymore. It's a basic utility for your digital life, just like electricity or internet. It doesn't matter if you're a student, a professional, or just someone trying to keep family photos safe. It delivers that security, that access, and that collaboration. It basically takes the stress out of managing your digital world. And that really brings us right back to the most important question. Every single day, you create more memories, more work, more data that kind of defines who you are. So I'll leave you with this one thought. Is all of that stuff, is it truly protected? Because with the right tools, it absolutely can be.